What up, y'all? It's your homeboy Justin. We back in my bathroom one more again. I hope y'all had a great Thanksgiving break. I hope you enjoyed all the food that you had to eat. I hope you were able to spend time with your friends, your family, your pets, your dog, your cat, whoever you got around you, your co-workers. I hope you was able to spend time with them and really just be thankful for the people you have in your life. So enough with all the happy. Well, this is actually a lot bit more happy. Today, I'm not gonna bring you a dreadlock style tutorial. I wanna do kind of like not a maintenance video, but this is just something that I think people don't necessarily talk about enough. I didn't know this until maybe like the last 2.5 years since I've started cutting my hair myself, is about taking care of your clippers and your trimmers. So today what I'm going to show you is how to clean, sharpen, and zero gap your blades. So before we get into the tutorial, I've used these for I think probably about 4 years now. I have this Andes trimmer and also this Andes clippers. They've lasted me a long time, and I like to attribute that to the fact that I've taken good care of them. I clean them regularly. I'm gonna be real with y'all. I only clean them whenever I sharpen my blades, which is about once every 6 months or so. You can clean them more often. You probably should if you do it a lot more often. I cut my hair about twice a week, 2 to 3 times a week, I would say. So that regimen of cleaning them every 6 months has been working for me. If you cut your hair, you cut other people's hair a lot more often, then obviously you have to sharpen your blades more often. You have to clean out your clippers and your trimmers more often. That's just what I do. But anyway, watch this next part. I'm gonna break it all the way down for y'all. So grab your clippers, grab some Q-tips, that little brush thing that comes in your clipper set. Grab all those things because we're about to clean these things out, all right? The first step is you want to remove the blade assembly from your trimmer housing, and remember to put the screws somewhere where they won't get lost. Second, you want to use a small brush to remove any hair or debris from the interior. Then, using the same small brush, remove all of the hair debris from the blade assembly. Next, you're going to disassemble the blade assembly, removing the comb blade from the cutting blade. Also, again, remember to keep the screws somewhere where you won't lose them. After that, clean off your comb blade, that small bracket, and your cutting blade. Use a cotton swab if you need to for any small spaces or tight spots. For this next step, traditionally you would use a sharpening block or a knife block. What I'm using is the unglazed edge of a coffee mug, and it has the exact same effect. So just remember to keep your blade at about 25 degrees, pass it about 3 to 4 times on each side, and use light pressure. Also remember to wipe off any of the shavings from the blade, of course, but also your mug. So this next step, we're gonna zero gap our blades. You're just offsetting the blades very slightly. You're gonna making sure that the cutting blade is just below the comb blade, about, I would say, 1 millimeter to 1/2 of a millimeter. That is showing you that it's too low, and this is also too high. Gonna get you some really bad razor bumps, ingrown hairs, and all that stuff, okay? So make sure that it's just right. Okay, after zero gapping your blades, hold them really tight, okay? You don't want them to move at all, and then screw back on that bracket holding the cutting blade to the comb blade. This is probably the most meticulous part of cleaning my clippers, is doing the zero gap, just because I have to make sure that when I'm screwing the bracket back on that the blades are where I need them to be. You can see on the right side that it's really good, but the left side is actually too close. So I have to go back in, kind of loosen the screws and readjust it, and then tighten it back again. And so now that I've gone through and really made sure that it's good, you can see that it is zero gapped evenly throughout the entire blade. And now we just put the assembly back onto the housing and screw that back on. So for the very last step, after you've cleaned all your clippers inside and out, we also have to disinfect. You can use a barbicide. I personally just use a tea tree oil because it's organic and doesn't have as harsh of chemicals as barbicide. So that's it. I just want to share this information with you guys. Actually, my friend Donny Pappin, littlest brother on Twitter. I don't know why I'm saying it like that. Thank you for asking, and here it is for you. So shout out to you, Donny. That being said, I hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions about this particular process of taking apart clippers, trimmers, what the difference is, any like further details on how to do this, let me know in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel, okay? Click the button. If you're new, welcome. Thank you for joining me for the first time. And if you are coming back again, thank you so much for watching this video, as you may have done with my other videos. And I appreciate your support so much. I will see y'all next Monday when we post another video. And until then, peace. So yeah, check out my last video that I did up there somewhere in this thing, and then check out my other video somewhere over here too. Don't forget to click the little subscribe icon, and I will see y'all when I see y'all. Bye.